If you have jewelry or if you have long hair and you're still using this, you need to toss it and get the SinkShroom instead. I did wipe mine down. It was real nasty when I took it out of here. This does not stop your hair from going down the drain and clogging it. This does. This is the SinkShroom, and this catches your hair, winds it around so it can't go down the drain and plug everything up, and still lets your water flow through. Same with jewelry. This leaves gaps plenty big for earrings, rings, necklaces, anything really to fall down that drain. It's gone, right? This will catch that too because of this little flexy thing at the bottom. Super easy to install. Pop it in. The SinkShroom fits all standard bathroom sinks. Once it's in, you've got a jewelry catch and a hair catch that's not going to clog up your sinks anymore. You can also rotate this if you want to let it drain openly. Close it up if you want a tight seal. Now, when you've got a bunch of hair that's clogging this up, instead of letting it clog your drain, pull out the SinkShroom, wash it off. Ugh, look at that. It already pulled up some nasty stuff, and pop it back in. Super simple, super effective. Highly recommend the SinkShroom. Get rid of this guy.